Hey, it's Lee Shong,
And I'm Chad.
and we're part of the internet sales team. We're just going to do a tutorial on the new driver focus feature that is on the 2019 Forester Tourings. So, first things first, we want to make sure that your driver focus is actively working. So you'll see an icon here in green. You do have the option to turn it on and off, and you can set up to 5 people to the driver monitoring system. So it's a driver focus is a feature to have, you have the option to set memories for each driver for your mirrors and your seat. And then also, if for any reason you're getting drowsy or you're looking away, it will beep at you and notify you to keep your eyes on the road. And it's a great feature to have a part of the eyesight driver assist system. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. First things first, you have to make sure that the car is on and in park. You'll see here, Chad will press and hold the info button and get you to this display. So once you get there, there are functions here to go up and down and set. So he's going to go down to the driver monitoring system. You have the options for repeat facial scan, user recognition, automatically retract seat on entry, and register user. So what we're going to do today is we're going to register a user. So user number 1, register the user, and then the facing forward, you hear a beeping sound, and that's when you can input your name, or you can just use driver A. We're going to use driver A. Just makes it a little bit easier for us. Hello, driver A. So as you get into the car and turn it on, it will scan your face, and then it will do the pre-settings for your mirrors and your seat. And of course, like I said, you can add up to 5 people. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to delete it. You're going to go to delete user, driver A, delete user, hit yes. So this is all on the information screen under the driver monitoring system. We will have more tutorials going on how to set the memory for the mirrors and the seats in our next video. So please look out for our YouTube video on that, but this is just a sneak peek of the driver focus system that we have on the 2019 Foresters.